This is Coach Lindsay, and today we are going to talk about the kipping handstand push-up technique. First things first, if you find yourself falling out of this all the time and having just a generally unbalanced feeling rather than a muscle fatigue feeling, it's often just an issue with hand placement. You're going to want to put your hands somewhere far enough away from the wall and far enough away from each other. Having them far enough away from the wall should ensure that you're able to get in this clear tripod position with your head in front of your fingertips. Once in this tripod position, you'll want to lower your knees so that they are well below your hips. Unlike the strict handstand push-up, you're going to want your hips against the wall at the bottom of a kipping handstand push-up. Lastly, in terms of timing, you'll want to think similarly to how you would for a wall ball or a thruster. Think throwing your feet as high as you can to the sky and extending your hips before you press into the ground. Thinking feet to the sky is also going to help ensure you don't stall your momentum by kicking them back into the wall.